Louise Photography. Today we're going to be shooting an editorial with our model Callie. For our lighting, we're going to be using a one light setup. Very easy. We're going to be using the Godox AD600 and we are using a medium size octavox with no diffusion and it's on silver. So super excited, come with us behind the scenes. Okay, so we have our model Callie here. You can give her a follow on the Instagram link right here. So I have her in the middle of two black V-flats to add some shadows to the sides of her face, because this light is going to be kind of beauty lighting. It's coming directly from the front and off to the side, so it's going to be quite bright. So we're going to add these black V-flats to give her a little bit more shape and add more contouring to the portrait. Let's get started. Okay, was it recording? Is it recording?
Now it is, yeah.
It is recording? Okay, cool. So we're done photographing the inspiration. Now we're just gonna have some fun and shoot some full bodies, some half bodies. This lighting situation is extremely simple, very, very easy. All right, so we're just going to lower it just a tiny bit so it can catch a little bit more of her body. But I don't like to lower my light anything past the eyes, the eye level. So we're just gonna lower it just a little bit because it is a little high, and then we're gonna continue with the rest of the shoot. So let's have some fun. A little low, that's good. Why'd you say I can't hear you because of all the talent? Oh, sorry. Like that, but when you're not even looking at the camera, just turn around and comb through your hair. Yeah, these detail shots look really cool. That's amazing.
It's all you.
No.
Yes, it is.
That is not all me. But let us agree, that is not all me. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna do something a little bit crazy. We're gonna have Callie put on the jacket backwards. So, what does it look like? Let's start. She's right here. We can turn it to her. The thing with Callie is that she can make anything work. You know what I'm saying? It's not about what you're wearing. It's about making it work. What I'm thinking too now is, what if we got a stool, her holding this middle of the stool, and then the jacket really folded in so that you know for a fact that it's backwards. It's gonna look amazing. All right, so this is what it looks like. It already looks good. It's not even being photographed and it looks amazing. So let's give it a try. So I am going to have her back up a little bit. So let's back up to where your body is going to be where that tape was. Okay, let me test this out. That's perfect. Another tip here is that you could put baby oil or a little Vaseline on the collarbones to really make them shine. When we edit, we are going to be editing in a way that will dodge and burn her shoulders so that it looks really pronunciated. Okay, really good. Amazing. I'm shooting most of Callie's body at about 50 millimeters, just because I feel like for full bodies and half bodies, that's a really good focal length. And I'm doing the headshots at about 200, and then the rest of the body's at about 50. Let's take one of your legs and bring it to the arm of the chair. Yeah, right there. Or bring that other leg towards me just a little bit. Okay, that's good. And then just your tippy toes. Really high up with the heels, and I love everything. Because Giselle who? You know, at this point, this is so good. Giselle, if you're watching this, I didn't actually mean that. I meant like, Callie's great too. Oh my gosh, that is so good. I'm gonna go tighter in with the crop. Obsessed, Callie, I love this so much. Okay. Callie, will you just move that guy? Just throw it against it. This will be glow, glow, glow. You glow, girl. You glow, girl. Okay, when you have the elbow onto the knee, and then put up the pad, and then let's take the hair off the face. Yeah, oh yeah, that's perfect. You guys, I'm gonna show her right now. This is you don't understand when I say this. Okay, ready? Isn't that crazy?
I love it.
It looks so amazing. I'm so excited. Yeah, you literally slay. It's okay. I'm trying to be cool now. I said you literally slay. What is 4 + 4? 8. Okay, is that what they say? The cool kids. Okay. Anyway, it's incredible. It's amazing. It's absolutely perfect. Callie is getting into modeling, and I feel like this needs to be somewhere. It's going to like attract agencies. I just think it's just that headshot is everything that is perfect. Anyways, we're going to go ahead and switch it up down one more time. We're going to go crazy. Okay, photographer's going crazy. We're gonna go crazy and use a cone. It's gonna be very, very, very small point of lighting, very focused light, but it's going to add drama like crazy. So let's go ahead and try it out. Wearing a leather jacket for this video, and you know what, I'm done. I'm done with this. So I was wearing the leather jacket for you guys. I'm not gonna do that anymore. I'm choosing me. I'm gonna lean into that. Somebody get me off Instagram.
For 2025.
So we just photographed with this cone. I just took a test shot real quick, and as you can see in this sample picture, there is quite a bit of shadow in the background. So what we're gonna do to help with that is we're gonna get Callie far away from the background so that the shadow lands on the floor. So that is how we're gonna work around that shadow in the background. So Callie, I'm gonna have you come up quite a bit. That's good. All right, that should be good enough. Let's go ahead and test it though. Yep, shadow is completely out of the picture. Good, I am just going to compensate for this exposure by increasing my aperture. Okay, I think that looks really good. Another thing to note is using silver instead of white as far as your modifier. Silver is going to add way more specular highlights for fashion. It's going to work really well because you want that texture in the skin. For something like maternity or maybe family, you would want it to be soft, so then you would add your diffusion, layer of diffusion. But for this specific photo shoot, this look, this high key fashion look, we are completely going no diffusion, silver, but it's gonna work really well for what we're looking for. Okay, let's right there. Sorry, my camera. Alright, so here are the images from the photo shoot uploaded onto my computer. This is just in Lightroom. I went ahead and favorited so many images. Obviously, we can't edit all of them. There are so many that I wish that I could have fully put into the photo shoot. I mean, some of these detailed ones are so incredible, but I went ahead and chose some of my favorites, and then I sent them over just to narrow them down a little bit to Callie, and she chose her favorites. From there, we just lightly retouched 21 images or so. This is what they look like, just lightly retouched. Incredible. I mean, I love them as they are, but there were 3 that we decided to fully retouch for that high fashion look, so I'm gonna go through them. So the first one is a half body in the beginning of the photo shoot with a leather jacket, and then we went in with this incredible side profile. One thing I really love about this portrait is the fact that you can crop in and get almost like a totally different image. And then the last one, which is the favorite of the whole entire photo shoot, is going to be this headshot. This is going to be a great one for Callie to have in her portfolio. I think that it really speaks to the types of looks that she's able to do. I wish her all the success. If you would like to see more from this channel, please hit the subscribe button and comment if you have any thoughts about the photo shoot.